Are you tired of struggling to make profits in affiliate marketing? The game is about to change. In this video, we'll explore how AI is revolutionizing the world of affiliate marketing, helping marketers like you increase their profits and dominate their niches. From automating tedious tasks to providing actionable insights, AI is transforming the affiliate marketing landscape. Learn how to leverage AI to take your affiliate marketing business to the next level and stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, this video is a must-watch for anyone looking to maximize their affiliate marketing profits. So, what are you waiting for? Watch now, and discover the power of AI in affiliate marketing. Did you know that AI-driven tools are boosting affiliate marketing profits by up to 30%? Imagine a smart assistant that identifies trends, automates content, and targets your ideal audience, all while you focus on the big picture. AI is revolutionizing how marketers make money, making it easier than ever to scale and grow. In today's video, we'll explore how harnessing AI can turn your affiliate strategy into a powerful income stream. This type of opening could capture viewers' attention while hinting at the transformative potential AI offers for affiliate marketers. Let me know if you'd like to go further with this intro. Join me as I dive into the world of affiliate marketing and see if I can boost my profits using AI in just 30 days. The world of affiliate marketing is on the cusp of a major revolution, and it's all thanks to the power of artificial intelligence. AI is transforming the way we approach affiliate marketing, and it's about to change the game for good. In this video, we're going to explore the incredible potential of AI in affiliate marketing and how it can supercharge your income streams. One of the biggest challenges affiliate marketers face is the sheer amount of competition out there. It's harder than ever to stand out from the crowd and make a name for yourself in the industry. Another major hurdle is converting visitors into buyers. It's not enough to just drive traffic to your site, you need to convince people to take action and make a purchase. And let's not forget about the mountain of data that affiliate marketers have to sift through on a daily basis. From tracking clicks to analyzing conversion rates, it's a never-ending battle to stay on top of your game. But despite these challenges, many affiliate marketers are still relying on outdated methods to get by. They're still using manual techniques to try and optimize their campaigns, and they're still stuck in the dark ages when it comes to data analysis. And it's no wonder, the amount of data out there is overwhelming, and it's hard to know where to start. But what if I told you there was a better way? What if you could harness the power of AI to supercharge your affiliate marketing campaigns and take your profits to the next level? Sounds too good to be true, right? But trust me, it's not. AI tools and technologies are revolutionizing the way we approach affiliate marketing. With AI, you can get personalized recommendations on the best products to promote, the most effective marketing channels to use, and even the optimal ad copy to write. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. AI can also help you automate tedious marketing tasks, freeing up your time to focus on the things that really matter. But one of the most exciting applications of AI in affiliate marketing is its ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time. With AI, you can track your campaigns in real time, getting instant insights into what's working and what's not. You can adjust your strategy on the fly, making data-driven decisions that maximize your profits. And with AI-powered predictive analytics, you can even forecast future trends and stay one step ahead of the competition. So, how does this all play out in real life? Let me share a case study with you that illustrates the incredible potential of AI in affiliate marketing. Meet John, a struggling affiliate marketer who was barely scraping by. He was working tirelessly to promote products, but his conversion rates were dismal, and he was getting nowhere fast. But then he discovered an AI-powered affiliate marketing tool that changed everything. With the help of AI, John was able to identify the most profitable products to promote, optimize his ad copy, and even automate his marketing campaigns. The results were staggering. John's profits soared, and he was finally able to achieve the financial freedom he had always dreamed of. AI is the game changer that affiliate marketers have been waiting for. It's the key to unlocking massive profits and taking your business to the next level. And the best part? It's not just for the big players. Anyone can use AI to boost their affiliate marketing profits, regardless of their experience or budget. If you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on boosting your income and growing your online business. Affiliate marketers face a range of challenges that can make it difficult to consistently grow revenue and stand out in the industry. High competition. The affiliate marketing space is incredibly saturated, with countless marketers promoting similar products. This competition means it can be tough to differentiate your approach, create unique content, and retain audience interest. Low conversion rates. Even with significant traffic, converting visitors into buyers is often a struggle. Many people research products online without necessarily making a purchase, and some abandon their shopping carts midway. Low conversions can be frustrating and make scaling feel out of reach. Data analysis struggles. Effective affiliate marketing requires data-driven insights. However, with multiple platforms and sources to track, it's challenging to pull together meaningful data, interpret it, and make smart marketing decisions. Without clear insights, marketers may miss trends or underperform in crucial areas like targeting and ad spend allocation. Keeping up with algorithm changes. Affiliates are often at the mercy of algorithms on platforms like Google, YouTube, and social media. Changes to these algorithms can dramatically impact visibility, engagement, and even sales, forcing affiliates to stay agile and quickly adapt their strategies. Building trust with the audience. Authenticity is crucial for affiliate success, but with so many promotions out there, consumers are cautious. Building and maintaining trust takes consistent, honest content, sometimes a slow and demanding process, but necessary for long-term loyalty. These obstacles highlight the need for smarter strategies and tools to simplify and boost affiliate marketing efforts. This is where AI steps in, offering automated data analysis, personalized audience targeting, and optimized content recommendations that can make a huge difference. AI tools and technologies are transforming affiliate marketing by tackling these common challenges head-on. Here's how personalized recommendations. AI analyzes user behavior, purchase history, and browsing patterns to provide highly personalized recommendations. For example, AI-powered recommendation engines, similar to those used by e-commerce giants, help affiliates display products and content that align with each visitor's interests. This personalization boosts engagement, increases the chances of conversion, and helps affiliates stand out from competitors. Automated data analysis and insights. AI simplifies the complex process of data analysis. With machine learning algorithms, AI can automatically gather data from various platforms, spot trends, and highlight opportunities for affiliates to capitalize on. Rather than manually analyzing visitor data, affiliates can use AI to receive clear insights, like which products are performing best and the ideal times to post content. This allows them to make quick, data-driven decisions without the need for extensive analytics skills. Smart audience targeting. AI tools use predictive analytics to identify and reach the right audience segments. By analyzing behaviors and demographics, AI can create detailed audience profiles, so affiliates can target users more accurately with ads and content that match their preferences. This precision targeting cuts down on ad spend and improves conversion rates. Content creation and optimization. AI-driven content generators assist with creating SEO-optimized content, which is crucial in high-competition niches. These tools can generate blog ideas, headlines, and even full articles tailored for specific audiences, helping affiliates produce engaging, relevant content without spending hours researching and writing. AI can also optimize existing content for search engines, increasing visibility on platforms like Google and YouTube. Automated marketing tasks. AI-powered automation tools handle repetitive marketing tasks, freeing up time for affiliates to focus on strategy and creativity. For example, AI can automate social media posting schedules, send out personalized emails, and even conduct A/B testing to refine campaigns. This streamlines daily operations, ensuring that affiliates are consistently engaging their audience without having to micromanage every task. Enhanced customer support with chatbots. AI chatbots provide instant responses to customer questions and concerns, building trust and improving the user experience. For affiliate websites, a chatbot can guide users through product information, answer FAQs, or offer special deals. This immediate assistance can help convert visitors who might otherwise leave without taking action. By integrating these AI tools into their strategies, affiliate marketers can overcome common obstacles, maximize efficiency, and drive higher conversions. AI is becoming essential for affiliates aiming to scale and stay competitive in today's fast-paced digital landscape. If you're finding this content helpful, and want to keep learning how to boost your affiliate marketing success with the latest tools and strategies, don't forget to hit that like button. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss out on new videos that could be game changers for your business. Thanks for your support, it really helps grow the channel. So, what do you think about AI in affiliate marketing? Have you had any experiences with AI-powered tools or technologies? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into the world of AI-powered affiliate marketing, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be exploring some of the most innovative AI tools and technologies on the market today. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to dive even deeper, check out our next video.